So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your home application on your iPhone is randomly giving you problems and for some reason it's just not working out properly. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. This is a very popular application and there might be some issues going on with it. Now, number one, if it's not working or it's giving you some random problems or something like that, the first thing I'd always recommend doing is to go through and understanding what the problem is. A lot of the times, if you just swipe up from the bottom of this application, if you just swipe up out of it, and then if you just go back into it, sometimes that might just end up fixing the problem. Also, with some applications out there, you might have to be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi connection that you basically went through and you're trying to go towards. So if you're in that situation too, you might have to go through and just kind of adjust your Wi-Fi settings or just connect to that proper Wi-Fi connection settings. That's another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about too. If that's still not working, you can also try restarting your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your phone, just like so. Slide a power off. You want to just, power off this whole thing completely. And then what you're going to want to do is just end up seeing if that ends up fixing the problem. If that still doesn't do it, tap into your settings application right here. You want to scroll down until you find your general settings, which is right over here. Tap on software update, and you want to see if you can software update your iPhone. A lot of the times, if you just update your device like this, that can probably end up fixing the problem too. And that's another one of those things I'd recommend you to kind of think about. So in terms of that, those are the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.